guys, remember to SCG here. So today I'm actually gonna not do a gaming video. I'm gonna tell you about the egg hunt. So basically RTC, which is the Roblox Twitter, has announced that the egg hunt has not been cancelled and the egg hunt's gonna be there. So basically there are some new things about the egg hunt, that it is gonna start from 15th April, and more about it is that if you now, like, there's an update in Roblox too, basically about display names. So guys, I'm just gonna go out here. So basically if you see, my name is right now it's this way, but if I go in a game, so I basically went in a game right now. I went in a game, and now as you see, my display names being shown as sub to SCG gamers underscore YT. So what the thing is that you could change display names, and every 7 days you could change display names. So first thing, how do you get a display name? So to get a display name, open if you have Google Chrome, open it and type Windscribe. I'll paste the link in the description so you can get it easily. Click on that, and the first website that you get is it. So when you click on it, here we are. So first thing that you have to do is download Windscribe. Click on download Windscribe. Now scroll down and you'll see like a Google Chrome option here. Click on there, like it will be as an extension. I have it here. It should be opening. Yeah, here it is, it's opening. So this is Windscribe, and I could open it. So basically you could have it of any country or any place you want, of VPN of any place. So you could do it, or you could even download the Windows version, which will show up on your the desktop. Basically now, so I have downloaded it. So after you have downloaded it, it will ask you to sign up and all that. Please complete that. I cannot show you my private stuff, so I won't show you guys. So first thing that I'm gonna do is click over here. So it's connecting right now, and yeah, it's on. So now as you see, it's on. I'll refresh Roblox and you'll see, okay, you'll see, yeah, here it is, sub to SCG gamers YT. This is how it is. So I'll go in settings. So basically how to change the display name, click on settings, and then in account info, here in account info there is your username here, and I think it's not working. I'll just take some cookies. Yep. Yeah, here it is. I hope it does not take a lot of time for you guys. Okay, display name, here it is. I've kept the display name as that. My username is gonna be this way. So it is important, your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So basically if I try to add this, so I cannot save it. It will tell, okay, it will tell that your display name has already been changed in the past 7 days. So cancel it, and there you go, you have got it. So basically if I play in a game, so basically this is zombie attack, and yep guys, this is it. My display name is here, and when you click escape, you can see all display names for all people. So basically it's not there in all countries, so maybe everyone would not be knowing it, but I'm gonna share it out. Here it is. So my display name will be shown like this. My display name is this, and @ my username will be there. So let me just get in a game, and oh, it has started. So it's that way, and then you can get a lot of stuff from it. After you are done, it's gonna help you for the Easter eggs, Easter egg hunt, and it is not Easter, it's gonna be mid-spring right now. So basically Easter egg hunt, it's gonna be for the Easter egg hunt. And now so basically the egg hunt is gonna be at 15th April. So have fun, and I'm gonna share updates about the egg hunt now frequently. And yep guys, enjoy the video. So I think now you have got to know how to do it. So basically I think I'm gonna wrap it up here and see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.